masigasig. It is a reminder of the kind of people we chose to be throughout this journey. Kaya ko ba? That is the very first question that crossed our minds. We all came from different starting point. There were those of us who were young and fresh, stepping into a new chapter full of hope, but quietly unsure of what lay ahead. Kaya ko pa ba? If the beginning was scary, the middle was even harder. Marami sa atin ang nagtatrabaho habang nag-aaral. Halos wala ng oras para sa sarili, pero nagpupumilit pa rin para makatapos. Para may mapatunayan. There were nights when we cried from exhaustion. And yet, every single morning, after those hard nights, we got up again. So, on behalf of Batch Masigasig, let me take this moment to honor and thank those who stood behind us, believed in us, and helped us to make this moment possible. And to my mama and papa, and to all the parents here tonight, there are no words great enough to express how grateful we are. This diploma we receive para sa inyo po ito, to ourselves, to every version of us who wanted to quit but chose to stay. Thank you for not giving up. Kaya ko pala. Kaya pala natin. Batch Masigasig, life after graduation is more demanding and unpredictable, more exhausting, and at times, more overwhelming than anything we have faced within these walls. When that moment comes, I dare you to look back. Look back at everything we endured, everything we overcame, just to be here at this moment. And together, we may bravely and firmly declare what we have already proven. Kinaya natin, kaya na natin. Oo, kayang-kaya na natin. Always remember, we are capable. We are limitless. We are and will always be Batch Masigasig. Congratulations, Batch Masigasig!